Inventory maintenance is used to set up, modify, delete, and track inventory items. To maintain inventory records, click the Inventory module and select the Inventory Maintenance menu item. The following window will appear. If you are adding a new inventory item, click the New button. Select the appropriate account number and enter a unique inventory code. Then, select which type of inventory the item is. Enter a name for the inventory item, along with a brief description. In the Location Factor tab, enter information about where the item is stored and information that affects the pricing of the item. Some inventory items are received into inventory in one unit of measurement but charged out or used by a different unit of measurement. To determine the charge price of such an item, additional information is needed. In the Units field, enter the unit of measurement used when the inventory is received and charged. For alternate units, enter the unit of measurement when the type is changed during the receive or charge. Then, enter the factor to apply against the quantity entered to determine the correct quantity in specified units. Indicate if the factor will be applied against the quantity through multiplication or division. In the Dates Quantity tab, the current date will show as the original start date. If you have transactions that will be predated from today, enter a date 1 day before the first predated transaction you will be entering. The original quantity and original value should only be entered if you are converting from an existing inventory system. The fixed sell price will set a static price each for this inventory item. Enter the date the fixed sell price was set so you can track when it was last updated. Enter any handling charge that is always applied to this inventory code. Usually there is no handling charge. Enter the last time a physical inventory was performed on this inventory item. This is typically blank for new inventory items. Select Suppress Quantity Check to turn off ProFund Accounting's detection of when an inventory quantity goes negative. The rest of the fields are used for the automated inventory reorder system. Enter a minimum and maximum quantity you wish to keep in stock. If the inventory item is a seasonal item, like mower blades, enter a seasonal minimum quantity. Then, specify the months for the seasonal minimum to be used in the seasonal from and through fields. Enter a reorder quantity if the inventory item is packaged in quantities other than 1. In the Vendors tab, enter information for up to 4 vendors for the item. If you use the automated inventory reorder system, it will use the price each and minimum quantity information entered here to create a purchase order for the vendor with the best pricing. When you have finished adding information, click the Save button. To find information for inventory already in your system, enter the Inventory code and press Tab, or find it in the inventory tree and click Apply. You can also click the List button and select the inventory item from the list. Click the Edit button to make any changes to the inventory item, and when you are finished, click Save. To view the history of an inventory code, select the Inventory History button. The following window will appear. Enter the start and end dates of the period of history you wish to view, and any other parameters. Then, click the Run Report button to view the inventory history report. If you wish to print barcode labels for the inventory item, one at a time, click the Print Single Label button. Select the appropriate printer and enter the number of labels needed. Then, click the Print button.
You are now working smarter with ProFund Accounting. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.